3 weeks from your test.
Yes.
We've just done a mock test, and we're laughing because I won't tell you what happened. We're laughing at something. We didn't pass, unfortunately.
No.
And it was a series for cutting the corner, and you got some faults for going a bit slow, didn't you?
Yeah.
On the main roads. So that's something we're going to work on going home, and we're also going to work on it next lesson, just to make sure appropriate speeds.
Yeah.
So you're actually looking at the speed limit, looking what you're doing, and adjusting your speed if it's safe to do so. But at the same time, if it's not safe, just say this is something dangerous, like a sharp bend.
Yeah.
Then that's fine. Go at a slower speed. That's safe. But if it's a straight road and it's clear, then you really want to go faster. You don't want to kind of
Hold
take
back.
your time.
No.
Yeah. And how are you feeling about your driving test?
Excited.
You'll be fine. You know, you'll learn from the mock test today.
And I don't normally cut a corner.
Yeah, you don't normally cut corners, and you didn't cut any corners afterwards.
No.
Yeah, and like I was saying to you a few minutes ago, I think it was the fact that approaching the crossroads, there's lots of roadworks.
Yeah. Was I in second or third?
You were in third gear, so you got a fault as well for that. You know.
Yeah.
You got 2 faults in one. Like a bonus fault, it was.
Literally got one, so might as well add another.
Yeah. So yeah, you picked up 2 faults for going round corners in third gear instead of a lower gear.
Yeah.
But on that one, we got a series. You cut the corner as well, didn't you? So anyway, that's what we're going to work on. We're going to work on the series and the faults, and we're going to work on the manoeuvres in the next lesson.
Yeah.
And we're just going to keep working on anything that crops up. Okay. And hopefully you'll still feel excited about your driving test coming up.
Hopefully.
So we'll see you next time, everybody.
See ya.
Bye.